All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here. We are proud to present this beautiful 2017 Mini. It is the Mini Cooper S, this beautiful orange color with a black leather interior, premium sound system, stereo controls, navigation, heated seats, backup camera. Super nice alloy wheels. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. Looks good. Your front bumper looks fantastic with those fog lights. Look great. Hood looks good. little quarter here looks great. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Does have some curbing. I'll say about 9 inches. Tire tread is over 7/32. This door looks good. This rear quarter looks pretty good. And here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Let's check out your tire tread. Just over 7/32. Here, of course, you got this. Your netting does similar to the BMW. Has the same thing there. Of course, that does come with a storage bag. Boom! Once I'm done with the video, I'm going to put it there and drop that bad boy in the trunk. Of course, you got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks great. Does have a little thing here that pushes this to support your knees. Rear seat, likewise, no holes, no tears, no rips. Back there. Jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does have a push start system. Boom. Comes with one key fob combo. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for your airbag, as you can see, restraint system. All right. Let's see. Cruise control off. We'll get there sometime. Of course, you got your AM, FM, CD player, all that good stuff. There's your mileage of 20,444. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. There's, of course, your Navi system here. Navigates through your radio. Boom, boom, boom. Could do navigation, all that good stuff. Boom, there's your Navi system. Got your backup camera. Pow. Very nice. And then it's got your little sensors there to let you know. Got your AC controls, dual AC controls, and then you got heated seats right there as well. All right, got your little buttons here, and you can navigate through your screen back here. Boom, boom. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. Pretty much completes the tour. Of course, this does move your convertible top. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good. Light system. Fog lights are on. Keep it moving. Coming around, rear bumper looks fantabulous. Rear deck lid looks good. Of course, this is what your instrument cluster. This is what your rear cargo area looks like. There is some storage here. Boom. They took away your owner's manuals there. That's about it back here. I guess this car does come with some sort of run flat system. All right. Boom. Dual exhaust tips. This quarter here looks great. Here's your rear driver's rim, rear passenger rim, tire tread over 7/32. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear seats. This little fender looks good, and this hood looks good, and front passenger rim looks good. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more than golf or it all. And tire tread. It's over 7/32. Lights are working, fog lights are on, things are beautiful. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Mini Cooper. It is the S model with the soft top convertible, beautiful orange color, only 20,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to call Scott or Wagner. You got our phone numbers there on the screen. Thank you and happy bidding.